Hello and welcome to another Market Chameleon how-to tutorial. Keep in mind that this is not a financial advice. I'm just going over some trade ideas and what you can expect once you sign up to Market Chameleon. 7 days free trial, link in the description. So once you sign up, you will go to the home page, and this is where I like to spend most of my days. I'm gonna click on trade ideas and I'm gonna see what I can do right now to find some trading opportunities. For me is about selling put options for income, but there's a lot of options. As you can see, there's long calls, there's iron condor, all sorts of stuff. So we can just basically go over all those stocks, and those are the most tradable stocks during the day, the ones that you all love and trade: NVDA, Apple, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, AMD. For this specific tutorial, I want to focus on GameStop. GME is the ticker symbol, and I want to show you two potential trades that I just found with the use of Market Chameleon. So if you have, for example, you are bullish on GameStop and you think it will go up, price right now 24.7, down 2.1% as of today. Look at this, the implied volatility 85%, PE ratio 315. I don't make the rules, I just see what I see. Two options. I'm going to talk to you about the long call, and I'm going to talk to you about the put spread. I like to, as I said, I like to sell put options for income, put spread options for income. But if you think that GameStop will go up, there's a trade opportunity that Market Chameleon gave you. Again, this isn't a sure thing. GameStop can go to zero, you can lose all your money, but let's go over some details so you understand what's the value and the benefit of Market Chameleon. So we got ourselves long call, okay? We got ourselves long call, and we are basically, they're telling us that right now you can buy the call 25.5. We are now at 24.7. Buy the call 25.5 for July 12th, which is about 3 weeks from now, give or take. And you got yourself 132% edge, okay? That's based on history. Theoretical value, it's the historical average value, so it's used historical stock behavior. That is what the average value comes out to be. So this is pretty good, and you got yourself 132% edge. That's a lot. If you look at let's go for NVIDIA, also 108%. Okay, that's also a lot. That this day is interesting. You got 59%, that's more reasonable. Usually it's about 20-30 is what I've seen. Let's check Tesla, also 125%. Also, all those calls, it tells you that the buying calls is now cheap compared to the history and where it should be. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, log into Market Chameleon every single day. You will see a lot of opportunities. A SPY 53%, QQQ, AMD, and all that good stuff 70%. Let's go back to GameStop and focus on this. What it tells us that you can buy right now the 25.5 call for $315. Okay, I assume you know that one option is worth times 100, so 315 times 100, $315. And you got, while the win rate is low, you should, based on history, as I mentioned before, based on history, you should have paid $730 for these specific options. So if you're bullish on GameStop and you think it goes up, Market Chameleon says, you know what, this option compared to the historical value, you only pay $315 compared to $730. So that's something to consider. And if you click on the report, it will open all those details and tells you what can you expect. Click on the payout diagram, and you need GameStop to go up by 315. So your break even is 25.5 plus 315, 28.65 is your break even right here. And from right here, the sky is the limit, assuming GameStop will go up, and you have 3 weeks to do so. And you got all the details and the takeaway, etc., etc., that you can read. GameStop is all over the place. So that's one option. If you are bullish on GameStop, you think it go up, go to Market Chameleon, scan long calls, and see what you can expect. Another thing that, as I said, I like to do, the bull put spread, to sell options, to sell put spreads. That's the trading opportunities that I'm looking for when I'm joining and looking on Market Chameleon on a daily basis. And it tells me another thing. It tells me the date, July 19, so about a month from now. Tells me to sell the 23 and buy the 21, put and put, okay? Sell the 23 put, buy the 21 put right here. So I'm risking collateral $200, but this is the beauty of that. I'm collecting upfront $105. So my risk is not 200, it's actually 200 minus 105. So I'm risking $95 to make 105, which is pretty good. It's more than 1-to-1 ratio. And here's the beauty. Again, this is where Market Chameleon shines. I'm supposed, based on theoretical value in the past, I'm supposed to just collect $50 on this trade, $51. But we got almost double right now on this specific trade opportunity. Does it mean that GameStop can't go below 21 and we will lose all our money? No, it doesn't mean. It only means that if you are bullish and GameStop is already in the money for us, they're already above 23, they need to go down below 21, which is about 20% from here. Of course, it's possible, it's GameStop. But if it doesn't, and if it stays above 23, you're collecting the entire premium, which is $105, which you collect on day one, the second that you execute the trade, and your collateral of $95 goes back to your account, and that could be an opportunity for the trade. And as I said, the beauty is that you're supposed to get $50, you're getting more than double. That's why people sign up to Market Chameleon. You got 56.8% edge and a 77% historic value that this trade will win and you will make profit, potentially, based on history. So if you click on the report, let's see what we got. You got, look at this potential yield, 110.5%. This is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, pretty good. $105 credit, $95 risk compared to $50. Payout diagram, you are here. You already deep in the money. You need GameStop to go down all the way to even break even right here, and you lose all your money below 21, which is about 20% from here. And it tells you the maximum loss is at the price of 21, and then you will lose $95, and the break even is $21.95, 11% from here. So GameStop needs to lose 11% just for you to break even. That's how this trade works, which is pretty insane, not gonna lie. And right now you're collecting upfront $105 compared to 50, and you can open all those tabs, but I like to open the last tab right here. Bull put spread. It tells you again, collect 105 compared to $50. This is the trade, sell the 23, buy the 21 put credit spread for July 19. This is just one. This is one option. On our next video, we're gonna go over this step, seasonality, all the stocks that are bullish based on history in this time of the year. Hope this was valuable. Try Market Chameleon 7 days, link in the description below. And again, play around, see all the stocks that you like. You can also switch to talk by win rate right here. So you got 91% win rate, 90%. I'm not gonna tell you all the details. Take Market Chameleon for a spin, and I will see you next time.